The era of seeking gold on Earth is ending. The next generation of billionaires will be born in the vast and silent vacuum of deep outer space. Right now, a massive asteroid is floating past us. It contains more platinum than humans have ever mined. This single space rock is worth trillions of dollars. NASA and private companies are preparing for the hunt. We are witnessing the start of the space economy. The cosmic gold rush of 2026 is here. Infinite wealth is finally within our reach among stars. Traditional mining on Earth destroys our beautiful natural environment. We dig deep holes and poison our precious water. But the solar system contains a limitless supply of rare earth metals and industrial minerals for our use. Asteroids are the leftover construction scraps of our universe. They are packed with iron and nickel and gold. One specific asteroid, named Psyche 16, is purely metallic. Its value could make every person on Earth wealthy. The race to claim these celestial bodies is heating. The first company to succeed will rule global markets. Automated robotic spacecraft are the pioneers of this industry. These high-tech probes use lasers to analyze minerals. Advanced solar sails propel the cargo ships across space. They do not need expensive fuel to move weight. The robots attach massive thrusters to the asteroid body. They slowly nudge the rock into a stable orbit. This orbit brings the treasure closer to our planet. Once in position, autonomous mining drones begin their work. They drill into the surface to extract raw ore. The operation is controlled by artificial intelligence from Earth. Water is the most valuable resource in space today. It is not just for drinking by brave astronauts. Water can be split into hydrogen and liquid oxygen. This creates powerful rocket fuel for long-distance travel. Asteroids act as gas stations in the deep cosmos. By mining ice, we can travel to distant planets. The cost of space exploration will drop significantly now. We will no longer carry heavy fuel from Earth. This breakthrough makes a colony on Mars finally possible. The space economy is built on celestial water ice. New manufacturing hubs will be built in zero gravity. We can create perfect crystals and stronger metal alloys. Gravity on Earth makes certain industrial processes very difficult. But a factory in orbit has no such limitations. Giant 3D printers will build massive structures in space. They use the materials harvested directly from the asteroids. This will lead to the construction of giant cities. Space stations will house thousands of workers and families. The architecture of the future is floating and modular. Humanity is finally moving its heavy industry off-world. The financial impact of asteroid mining will be historic. The supply of precious metals will suddenly become infinite. The price of gold and platinum might actually crash. But the cost of high-tech electronics will drop. Everyone will have access to cheap and powerful technology. Clean energy transition will accelerate with cheap raw materials. Batteries for electric cars will be made from space. The global standard of living will rise for everyone. This is the ultimate democratization of our natural resources. A new era of planetary prosperity is starting today. However, this gold rush brings massive geopolitical tension now. Who owns a rock floating in the dark void? Countries are drafting new laws for space property rights. The United States and China are competing for dominance. Private corporations are hiring their own private security forces. The risk of a conflict in orbit is growing. We must decide if space belongs to all humanity, or will it be carved up by the powerful? The moon could become a military base for mining. Peace in the stars is not a guaranteed outcome. The environmental benefits for Earth are truly worth it. We can stop scarring our home planet for minerals. The most dangerous and dirty jobs move to space. Earth becomes a garden for living and for nature. The heavy lifting is done by machines and vacuum. Our atmosphere will finally have a chance to heal. The space economy is a green revolution for Earth. We protect our world by looking to the heavens. This is the ultimate survival strategy for our species. The stars are saving the life on our planet. Investors are pouring billions into these daring space startups. The technology is moving faster than anyone ever predicted. What was once science fiction is now a business. Your children might work as engineers on an asteroid. They will see the Earth as a small marble. The boundaries of our civilization are expanding every day. We are no longer limited by the Earth's crust. The entire solar system is our new backyard today. The treasure of the universe is waiting for us. The first asteroid mission is launching very soon now. The journey to infinite wealth has officially begun today. We are the generation that opened the cosmic door. The scale of this wealth is beyond human imagination. We are leaving the cradle of our home world. The asteroid belt is the new frontier of freedom. Fortune favors the bold who look toward the sky. The age of the space miner is finally here. Prepare for the greatest transition in our long history. The wealth of the stars belongs to the brave. The countdown to the first trillion-ton harvest starts.